today we are going to eat these. We got some sashimi over here, we got the chef over here, we got our vlogger over here, and we got Pusit over here.
It's not pusit.
Oh, baby octopus?
Yeah. Baby octopus! Hi everyone! So for this segment, we're gonna do mukbang challenge. So I think we're gonna do it for a couple of days because it's the easiest video to upload. Magmumukbang na lang kami, guys. So we're gonna do mukbang today with my husband and a friend. So they bought some baby octopus from the market early this morning. So ayan, guys, join us sa aming mukbang challenge. Ayan, si chef ay nagre-ready na ng aming pangmukbang, guys. That's the fresh baby octopus. At yung iba.
Ano?
And those. Oh my God. So many. There's so many baby octopus. And I think you need to grill more, baby.
More pa.
Grill more kasi magmumukbang tayo.
Wow, sarap.
Ayan, guys. Start na tayo ng ating mukbang segment part 1. Aray ko, nahatching ako. Go, go, go! Magkakamay ako, guys.
Ito. Fresh.
Someone in the middle. Okay ba yung light soy sauce sa ano? Acceptable na siya. Ayan, guys. Buong salmon na sinashimi.
Kahit ano, sauce, I mean, sauce naman, di ba? Okay lang. Kaso, mas masarap ko talaga pag ito.
Hello? Yeah, it's actually nice with light soy sauce.
Ito may sasawi.
Guys, yung inyong reaction, by the way, makaka-capture sa vlog, So,
Parang gusto ko gawin sa ito.
habaw. Ang sarap ng salmon.
Fresh na fresh na.
And then we have this baby octopus. Ayan, so anyway guys, tapos na ang aming mukbang. May, ayan o, Pilipino na Pilipino talaga eh. Diba? May natira pa isa. So, hindi kaya ng mga mukbangers ang challenge for today na kumain ng baby octopus. O let's okay.
Kaya.
Walang panlaban. So ayan, thank you. See you on our next mukbang challenge. Saranghae. Ang dumi.